Hi, my dear Tare Jaminpar. Let us quickly start Coordinate Geometry, Chapter 7 of Class 10th. Let us try to understand what is coordinate geometry and how is it useful in our daily life with a beautiful example. One day, three students of Class 10th, who are they? Karuna, Karina and Kiran, went to a cinema hall. Why?
Pushpa movie.
Might be they went to watch Pushpa movie. It's okay, it may be any movie. They sat in the cinema hall. Karuna was sitting here, Karina was sitting here, and Kiran was sitting here in the cinema hall. Can you guess the position of Karuna where she is sitting? See here, second row, D column. So we can write 2D. The position of Karuna is 2D. Now let us try to guess the position of Karina. She is sitting in fifth row, G column. So position of Karina is 5G. Now you have to guess the position of Kiran where he is sitting. See here, seventh row, C column he is sitting. So we can write 7C as the position of Kiran. Similarly, let us try to guess the position of a point which is there here on the screen. See, from here to here 4 units away, from here to here 2 units away. So we can write position of this point as 4 comma 2. Now try to guess the position of this point. From this y-axis minus 3, from this x-axis minus 2. So we can say minus 3 comma minus 2 as the position of this particular point. So this is what exactly coordinate geometry deals with. Before proceeding further, we welcome you to your favorite learning platform, Goodbricks. In this chapter, we are going to learn and we are going to discuss what is abscissa and ordinate, distance of a point from x-axis and from y-axis also, and you are going to learn in this chapter distance formula, section formula and midpoint formula. Before all these things, you should know what are coordinate axes. So let us begin our discussion with what are coordinate axes. See here on the screen you can see one point, and to locate this point we need two perpendicular lines. What are they? This is one horizontal line and this is another vertical line. So these horizontal and vertical lines which are perpendicular to each other are called coordinate axes. Let us now find the distance of a point from x-axis. See here, this is a point and this is the x-axis. From here 0, 1, 2. So the distance of this point from this x-axis is 2 units. Now can you guess the distance of this point from y-axis? Let us see here, this is the y-axis. From here to here, this distance is called distance of this point from y-axis. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 units is the distance of this point from y-axis. So this is how we need to find the distance of a point from x-axis and y-axis. How to find distance between two points when we know coordinates of those 2 points? See here on the screen we have 2 points P and Q. These are the 2 points and we have their coordinates also. So when we know coordinates of 2 different points, how to calculate distance between these 2 points? See, this is the distance between 2 points. So to calculate the distance between these 2 points, we have to use root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and this formula we call it as distance formula between these 2 points. Let us now discuss about section formula. Here we have a point P and this point P is dividing line segment AB in m is to n ratio. So, if this point P is dividing AB line segment in m is to n ratio, then we can find the coordinates of this point using this formula. So, this formula is only called as section formula. Let us now discuss about midpoint formula. This is not actually a basic formula. It is not a fundamental formula because it is derived. It can be derived using section formula. So in place of m is to n of the section formula, if you write 1 is to 1, then you will automatically get this x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. This is called midpoint formula. Till now, we discussed all these points which you can see on the screen as part of introduction of our coordinate geometry. That's it from this introduction video. Let us meet in our next video with exercise 7.1. Till then, bye, and don't forget to subscribe. Share with as many friends as possible. Thank you once again for watching and learning.